Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how to fix Messenger video call sound problem. For that, you need to first simply check your internet connection because the poor internet connection might be creating the video call sound problem. The next step what you can do is simply head into the settings on your device. When you reach on the settings page, you need to scroll all the way down and find apps. Tap on it and tap on app management on this page. So when you reach on this app management page, you can either scroll down and find Messenger application, or else you need to tap on the search bar on the top and you need to search Messenger. When you find Messenger app, tap on it. This will let you get access on the app info page of Messenger. On this page, you need to simply tap on manage notification option and make sure you have allowed all the notification of Messenger. You need to get back on the app info page and scroll down and tap on permissions. Make sure you have allowed all the apps permission, because if you deny apps permission here, suppose if you deny microphone, cameras, apps permission on the Messenger, then you might get problem while video calling to someone. So you need to come back again, and after you are done that, tap on storage uses on this page and tap on clear cache. After you have done this step, you need to go back to the home screen of your phone, go back to Play Store, and on the search bar you need to type in Messenger and search Messenger. If you see any update button instead of open, simply tap on update button and you need to update your Messenger application in order to fix the glitches and bugs which might be creating video call sound problem. Once you have followed all this step, lastly you need to reinstall your application from the Play Store or the App Store and fix Messenger video call sound problem. This is how you fix Messenger video call sound problem. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.